Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to split text in Power BI Query Editor. So let's go in Power BI, click on Excel Workbook, and we are having a dataset which is split. Open, click on Sheet 1. Now I want to create a new column which is only having the city in it. So click on the Transform Data, click on the first row, Add Column, Columns from Example, from Selection. Now this will exactly work like flash fill in Excel. So we'll have to first give the training to the Power BI query editor. So let's see if I write only the city name Surat and click OK. So it will extract for the remaining rows also. Click OK. Done. You can see Surat, Patna and Sydney. It has extracted all the cities. Sometimes you will have to give multiple queries to the Power BI query editor. So this is how you can split text in Power BI query editor. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link given in the description box.